Okay, here are your waltz class notes. We're going to start with hesitation, 2, 3, and we go. Reverse turn, 1, 2, 3. Progressive twinkles, 2, 2, 3. Hesitation into an underarm turn. Into reverse, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Twinkles into waterfall. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Pick up with a reverse turn. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 and 2. Change step, balances. 1, 2, 3, hesitation. 1, 2, twinkle into open natural with a syncopated underarm turn, hesitation.
All right, Kevin. All right. Give me a breeder buck. Boom. Shick, shick, tow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Breeder buck. Boom. Shick, shick, tow. Yeah.